Imagine stepping into a car that's more than metal and wheels. It's a moving sanctuary. The Lincoln Model L100 concept wraps you in space, comfort, and cutting-edge technology that feels alive. Every surface, every light, every control is designed to make you feel calm, connected, and in control. Under the hood, it's not just smooth, it's intuitive. Precision handling, effortless acceleration, and smart systems that anticipate your every need. Safety, comfort, and performance all work together, so every drive feels effortless and exhilarating. Luxury isn't bigger or faster, it's how it makes you feel. The L100 isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into a future where every journey inspires awe, relaxation, and pure emotion. The Lincoln L100 commands attention. Its presence isn't just seen, it's felt. A sleek, teardrop-shaped body and radical K-tail slice through the air, making every drive smoother, quieter, and more efficient. It's long, low, and wide, blending majestic, land yacht proportions with futuristic flair. Every curve isn't just for looks. It guides airflow, reduces drag, and enhances stability. You're not just driving, you're gliding, wrapped in a sculpture that moves with purpose. This isn't just design, it's performance, elegance, and innovation in perfect harmony. The entire side of the L100 opens like a stage, and the roof lifts into a canopy. No ducking, no climbing, you simply step into your sanctuary. Even the wheels are alive, using light to show battery, motion, and welcome you with a symphony of glow. Every detail isn't just smart, it transforms how you experience a car. At the front, a crystal greyhound glides beneath a transparent panel. More than ornamentation, it's a tribute to Lincoln's heritage, chosen by Edsel Ford in the 1920s. Grace, speed, and history meet futuristic design, making every glance a reminder that tradition and innovation can move together. The L100 carries a legacy. Its name honors the 1922 Model L, Lincoln's very first luxury car that set the standard for American elegance. This concept isn't just a car, it's a vision of what luxury, innovation, and craftsmanship will feel like a century from now. Step inside and discover freedom. No steering wheel, no pedals, the L100 is fully autonomous. The interior becomes a third space, a luxurious lounge that adapts to you. Front seats pivot like elegant chairs, turning every ride into a personalized, immersive experience. Seats that pivot let you face forward or turn into a social lounge. The floor isn't carpet, it's a digital canopy, displaying art, soothing lights, or even the sky above. The cabin is a fully immersive sanctuary, with curated soundscapes and digital scents designed to relax, inspire, and connect. Without a steering wheel, interaction is effortless. At the center console sits the chessboard, crowned by a single jewel-inspired chess piece. Every command, every control feels intuitive, elegant, and tactile, turning technology into a beautifully simple experience. This is your controller. It doesn't steer in the usual way. It guides the autonomous journey, replacing every knob and button. Using it feels like conducting an orchestra, intuitive and graceful. And luxury meets conscience here, with animal-free materials and recycled fabrics that feel utterly opulent. The L100 is all electric, but not in the way you expect. It's designed for next-generation solid-state batteries, integrated directly into the car's structure. That means incredible efficiency, massive range, and, most importantly, an open, lounge-like cabin without compromise. Motors at each wheel deliver intelligent all-wheel drive power, making acceleration effortless, smooth, and precise. Every drive feels controlled, confident, and exhilarating. This isn't just a car, it's a fusion of cutting-edge technology and human-centered design, redefining what a journey can be. The L100 is a pure concept, a bold vision of the future. It shows that luxury isn't just speed, it's time, connection, and sanctuary. An intelligent, autonomous space designed to let you truly just be. Every detail, every moment is crafted to calm, inspire, and transform how you experience the journey. A century of Lincoln heritage, now reimagined for the next 100 years. The L100 isn't just a car, it's a statement, a sanctuary, and a glimpse into the future of luxury.